In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your OBS or Streamlabs to Kick. Once you've made your Kick account, head to the settings, go to Stream Key. From there, you're going to see your stream URL and stream key. Go ahead and copy that stream URL by hitting the two boxes on the right hand side and open up OBS or Streamlabs. From there, go to Settings. On the Stream tab, it's going to pop this up, and under Service, switch it to Custom. This is where you're going to paste in that stream URL into the server. And for the stream key, go ahead and copy that. Never share this stream key with anyone. If they get their hands on this, they'll be able to stream whatever they would like. And paste that stream key in there, hit apply, okay. And now whenever you want to stream, all you have to do is go back to Kick, hit the stream button here, edit your stream info, whatever you're going to be playing, watching, hit save, go back to Streamlabs or OBS and hit start streaming. Give it about 10 seconds and you will be live. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll be happy to help you.